Hey guys, my name is Sam, aka Mr. Two Pairs Minimum, and today we're going to take a look at the LD Waffle by Nike in collaboration with Japanese luxury fashion brand Sakai and streetwear label CLOT in the cool grey colorway. These released in October 2021 here in the UK for the retail price of £165. Quick disclaimer, this pair is 100% authentic from Offspring London Selfridges, and it comes in an orange Sakai box with a style code DH3114001. Opening up the box comes with shoes with white, Nike, Sakai and CLOT branded wrapping paper. It includes an extra set of waxed teal blue laces, which is a nice touch, but we're not here for the box, so let's get right into the shoes. This colorway takes design cues from the Nike Air Max 1 CLOT Kiss of Death 2. Like that pair, it features a cool grey mesh upper with synthetic rubber overlays in cream and navy blue. Green Nike, Sakai and CLOT logos can be seen on the heel, tongue and insole, with cream paint splash details on the top double stacked midsole. The double swoosh, tongue and lace theme continues on this pair, and it all sits on a gum outsole. I stayed true to size. I found it very tight at a forefoot, and I recommend going up at least half a size due to its restrictive synthetic upper. If you do have quite narrow feet, you can stay true to size as well. Personally, I love the colorway and design. I just wish they used more of a premium material like leather and suede. But let me know if you managed to pick these up. Did you miss out or did you pass? That's it. Thanks for watching. Please comment KISS to show me you watched this video to the end. It's at Samuel Sagwa on my social media links. Apart from that, have a good day.